Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Honorable Principal, teachers and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate the victory of 1965 war. This war is the golden chapter in our history of achievement. On 6th September, we not only defeated the enemy but also successfully defended our homeland sovereignty. We gave the proper answer to our enemy's aggression. Our soldiers laid their lives to protect every inch of Pakistan. Respected principal, we not only defeated them on land but also in the air. Our pride and Minaal crushed Indian feeling of air superiority. He shot down 5 Indian aircrafts only in 1 minute. This Minaal's bravery was a beacon of light for all other pilots to fight hard and gain victory in the air. On the other hand, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti became a symbol of courage. Due to his bravery in war, he received Nishan-e-Haider, which was made from metals of the enemy's weaponry. Mr. President, during 1965 war, one of the reasons that we performed so well was because the whole country was united. And here is a lesson for us, that whenever nation unites, it can give a very good performance. Right now, our country is in great peril. There are floods in KP, floods in Balochistan, floods in South Punjab. So I pray, may our nation unite and put up a united front so that we can face this big calamity which ravaged Pakistan. Now, we need to get together and help our brothers like we did in 1965 war and became a victorious. In the end, I must say, Pakistan Zindabad, Quaid-e-Azam Paindabad.